Cause me say run, latest run. Ma say she a come. Run, latest run. Ma say she a come. Cause me say run, latest run. Ma say she a come. She say when she catch you, what she a go do to you? So you just run, latest run. Cause ma say she a come. What's up, Speak My Mind family? Wagwan, blessing, 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 blessing Saturday evening. Who done cook the soup already? Said my one come. The thirsty. Oh, gas. Oh, gas. More like soup. Who done cook soup? Any soup who no bread come. Me no matter fish tea. Anything. Pea soup. Anything. Pumpkin soup. Manish water. Any soup. Send it come. Oh. Anyway, people. Marcia say latest. Come and talk about her picnic. And I post up, but she not ready for her yet. Because she a wait till she reach home. As far as me understand, you see all you unknown woman we support 360 a the woman a country and you likely to be Planka. Marcia say continue fool on now and say she not turn in a flanker. Don't a man think of here? Yes, turn in a flanker. Because you call her boss. You're accused of calling her boss. And because of that, the boss run your file. And she say yes. Me don't know the boss find so much time to do that, Marcia. I saw you important to the boss. Well, you say the boss a liar, so probably the boss a try the case before she say anything or do anything. Me don't know, but Marcia say the boss find out say this woman here a troll her for how long. As far back as the Buju concert where you go in our comment section go talk up things. But me don't know the boss of careless. Just I am Marcia and gone in a careless argument over social media. But it seems like the boss want Marcia and tell her to leave the social media upon the job. So she say no. But remember she said the boss said she can't do anything. But me don't know, when I go here, because me don't understand. She has said one thing and I said the other no. But she claimed to say she stopped. She going to stop the live when she on the job. When she come off and the part fair time, she will do her live. And that time is like 10:30, 11 when she come off. So she will be on the phone by 12. So 11:30, 12. And then 6:30 again. So Marcia, at what time you going to get to sleep, Marcia? Because if you have to wait till you come off now because you don't want them man they get look water and them hear all of them something they on the phone. If you take it, tell you. You understand? And you come off and go on phone at 11 o'clock. You might not come off till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. But you're going to get up back 6:30 again. Make a drink look water they like the man. Me not nobody be call feet, so me have to drink it myself. I don't have nobody to pay 15,000 US dollar for me get the water. And when me want it, the person they pan live. No sir, so me make sure I have it myself. Yes man. Anyway, so because of that, Marcia said she not do no live because I want to call her boss. Why? Me don't know what happened to you and boss, Marcia. You want people calling boss. Anyway, Speak My Mind family don't know what to do. Like, share, come like me if you catch one flu, you know. Me notice my symptoms of when me catch flu, me feel it today. And I go and fight it tomorrow. Yes, I go and try counter it tomorrow. Yes. Anyway, I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. The link of that channel is pinned in my comment section. Hit the word, the blue writing, and when the link open, you hit the word subscribe. And then press your post notification bell. So when a video drop, you're notified. You don't stay behind and lag behind. You're in the red. You alright? Cause of egg. And remember, follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV and favorite it. Remember now, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, please do so now and don't find yourself in the 18%. of haters that have not yet subscribed. You might be there and not realize you're not subscribe because you see the feed and you just watch video. So go subscribe. Alright? And follow me also on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And if you're not subscribed to the Life is a Mission channel either, which is a family oriented channel, cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, newscasts, commentary and all, drama, bar talk. Just a different old vibes over there. Just like when you go over TikTok, different vibes again. So the three platforms will give you a different vibes, not the same thing. Check it out and come back, come tell me. Speak My Mind give you a different vibes. Life is a Mission TV give you a different vibes. And when you go on Life is a Mission TV on TikTok and see the commentary video them, total different vibes again. That's how talented we is. And we have a whole heap more talent where we ourselves are hidden. You understand? It's hidden. Because we are waiting for the right time for just unleash. And the Life is a Mission channel on YouTube is the channel to get me unleashed. Not until I start support it, want to encourage me for me start put out the content. It don't make sense me I put out content, I want to now support it because it take a lot. Vlogging is a little bit harder than blogging. And the Life is a Mission channel is like a vlogging channel. Alright? This is a blogging channel. Vlogging is when you go, they go do things. Blogging is when you sit down and you just talk about people business and you understand me I said to you? Alright. I remember the cash app is there, $sign charms and change. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. You ask sorry to get it. And remember the merge. Remember the Speak My Mind merge. The Life is a Mission. Caps and t-shirt. If you watch the previous video you hear me say about the cap, me now go through that again. If you want a cap, I no longer have the caps them making overseas but locally. So if you come to Jamaica you want a cap, you still can go to the website but make it known that you will be in Jamaica XYZ time and you're purchasing a hat. So the information passed to me and I make the hat ready and available for you. Alright? Or if you have a friend or a relative coming up, you can do the same thing. Give me the connection, we'll make the link. If they're in another parish, we can not send it to them. Or if they're in a Kingston, we can arrange for them get it. Alright? Simple. Just jump on the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Check out the Instagram page, charm_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see over there, you get it customized. And this is the best place to stop and shop. Because you get what you want, what you request. You got the privilege to do so. Even upon the merge them, you can talk what you want. It's just that the Life is a Mission is a brand. Speak My Mind is a brand. If you want your name added to it, so be the case. You can get your name added to it or any one of the slang them. Alright. Anyway, I could hear Marcia say no. Because I want to report Marcia again to her boss. So she said, because I don't know she lucky. So I saw your boss them love you. That every time people report you, you can't still have your job. Marcia, I just feel like you tell lie on the people them. Nobody now report you. But I could hear what she say.
Out here was lurking and telling lies on me. I decided that what I will do, I will not come live during the daytime. So in that way,
Ban your boss,
they don't
ban
have
your
to hear my
case.
client,
I know
me
you
talking
want
to
to
my
beat your
client,
boss,
or my
ban
client
you.
talking to me.
Your
You
boss
understand?
is strict,
I will
man.
come live in the early morning before my shift start. In the 6:30, 7 o'clock before 8 o'clock.
Oh no listener, you know. Our boss get a strict warning. Marcia never ever care about her job when it come on to going live. Umpteen time people are talk and I say, are you this, or you are do this, or you are cause, or you expose yourself on the phone and the live, and she still do it. So why now? Oh no listen, you know. And not be a fool. Not no more than the boss talk to her. I know she do this off her own. Cause she gonna say, boy, where YouTube money appear, can't pay her bills and that, so she have to take her work serious because her work is what paying her bills. So how long people I tell you this? Even the enemies as well you just say, I tell you this. And you still continue to do it. So why now? Come on, Marcia. Speak the truth, man. The boss rocks you up.
And I will come live when me done. This live I'm doing is 12 o'clock at night. My shift done from 11, 10:30, 11. Before me finished up doing me I do. So when me finish doing me I do, I will come live. You understand? And in the early morning. Nevertheless, I have a lot of videos on social media that I have done already. That was like for 2-3 hours. I will cut them up and dash them out. Because there's a lot of bad mind and grudgeful people out here. And a lot of depressed people that need help. Some of these people don't deserve my character out here. They don't want to be inspired and motivated and have somebody who have a great personality. To me today, and the person was so upset, and him send the message, and she knows that me don't want to hear the person voice, and the person record the boy over there, so, and the boy talk something in my childhood and man or something. People, they are just doing it for contents. Nothing way him say, nothing no go so. Nothing way that boy say, nothing no go so. I sorry for him when Jesus ready for him. Me nah look upon him. But if you people want to sit down on social media and believe that the boy there, you have to understand that you are dealing with a bipolar person. You are dealing somebody with a desperate person that don't work. And these people are doing a lot of stuff for content creating. You understand? So I have to look.
We're born me now. Man said I work for months and years. Can she get a little job? She just have to take care of tell people who not work or who she believe not work. Because man said we have to understand, you know. You seen a person, you know, not doing physical work, no mean him not work or she not work, you know. Work gone past physicalness now. Why you think people can't just sit down in them yard and work and earn from them home? You understand? Technology increase. You don't have to work physically now. There's a lot of work where you can just sit at home, sit in your car, just walk and have free time and do right on your phone. So, you get this little job you know after you work too much months and years. Because you feel like say life are going to be easy and things are going to just free. You have to just give thanks that you get that work in a time just before all the freeness, the chumpy, a lock off, where you did a benefit from, back door. Because your love run go to the line and you forgot to the people that have file of you, collecting and receiving benefits on a false pretend, false declaration of your mental health. There are so many live out here where you come out here. Premeditated thoughts of doing this and going to your doctor there, going to psychiatrist, this, going to there, because you want to make it look like you have ailments caused by we out here on social media. And then in return, you use those doctor papers to go and claim. You understand? Free benefits. So remember, when you go to the law, be careful. You can't go report a thief and not feel that the thief now go report back you. I go into the story already, you know. You have a civilian live next door, a policeman. Same place in my area. And this is no fiction, this is a reality. One a thief light and one a thief water. I don't remember which one the police did a thief, but him did a take one. And him always, is a man that go on life and him turn police and make everything trouble him. I forgot to write the same live. And I think him born there for now life. So, him and the man must have some disagreement. You don't know what him going to do. Him going to report to the entity, the utility company. I don't remember which one. And going to report say the man a theft. I forgot to say him a thief the other one. The man a thief the brother. and him a thief the sister. So you don't know what the man do. The man just gonna report him too. Yes, man. So are you that man say be careful. You can't dip your hand at the people them sugar and chew. You come catch me and dip my hand at the man rice you talk. What happen to when me talk on you and dip your hand at the sugar? Watch it, you have whole heap of skeleton in your closet.
I myself and say, okay, are you people paying my bills? No. So you know what? So I say, you know what? To avoid the situation of lurking around me, this is my time. Them can't go report and say me a chat pan my time. This is my time. Me know I'm not supposed to. I know that I'm not supposed to do blogging while I'm working. But guess what? It's a living job.
No guess. You come out here publicly and said your boss gave you the authority to do so. Once you have nothing doing, your boss here can do your little vlog, your social media. So don't change your mouth now. Don't. It is on the records. It's just to find the video where you say it, you know. But it is on the record and it is recently. Your boss give you the so we can always talk. Because to the people that come down and you say, oh, you look after the money on social media and then the work you depend you're not supposed to have that. You say the boss say. You understand? So if you know say you're not supposed to depend on social media and you depend on social media, oh, all of a sudden you want to change. How? Eh? You get racks up. Oh, the boss gives stern warning. Oh, or she give you last warning. Oh, because you could have get more than one already.
It's a living job and we know the IPO law and everything. But sometimes you say to yourself, okay, this will keep your company. You know, because you have some boss. I have some people who is not on Facebook, they would know nothing. But since me have so much enemy on social media, since I have so many enemy on social media, I them I could lose out.
Not because you have so, because you're a big deal. Your feed will reach into other celebrities' phone and they will see you. Don't blame the enemies out here. What, you refuse? I'm saying you're a big deal now? Are you a big deal status? So when you keep up your foolish out here, other people who is celebrity like yourself, you know, all those Hollywood stars, Tyler Perry and all those people, they will see you. Don't blame us. Blame your status as a big deal, celebrity.
And they won't get nothing from me. They are the one that's going to lose out. So when they are screaming, they might go scream because as soon as me done, me I lock off my video. Me I put it private. So when they catch it, and when me go in on my private, me cut it down shorter. Me cut it shorter and dash it out.
You know,
that's
like
what me go and
me
cut it
can't see a
shorter
couple
and
video
dash it
shorter.
out. I feel them business.
How long you say that me can't see a
through the
couple
wall,
video
that's
shorter?
their business. As long as I am on my
You
time,
don't know
and
if you
this
do
is my
nothing
time.
at all. And nobody have no time
So
to
as I
wait for
said
you.
before, I will not
And you
come
don't plan
in
to
the
pay nobody
daytime.
because you don't make no money to pay
When
nobody.
I am off, I will come live. And in the early morning, before my shift starts, I will come live. If these people are demons, these people don't have no life, and they're very sad. And look like they don't emancipated yet. The person who called my boss is somebody who has been strolling me. Because when my boss look at the videotape, them of some of the videotape, she found her where she made comment. The time when I went to Buju to Sprague Ben's concert in Hartford.
What is the concern why your boss are look at your video them? And if your boss is looking at your video them, it's to look at your behavior. That's what I think, you know. If what you're saying is what we would go by then, your boss will view your video them. Your boss will more look at your behavior. How you conduct yourself. Your boss wouldn't have time for you search the woman name And why your boss would have searched the woman name? And if your boss even not search the woman name, 99.9 of them the video the way you do, your behavior alone would have distract the woman from look for the woman name. Your boss would have from look for the woman name. Because when she don't hear you chip all kind of cloth down Pablos and pins. You understand? Not Taylor not have so much strip cloth in her place. Or no dressmaker. So that alone not gonna cheer her off. But what the concern is when your boss go through your video them. Is it that she try to match up with this woman in your comment or say things to you or what? Or she try to see your behavior? Man say you tell too much unnecessary lie, you know. Some lie where me don't know. Where you think we are, at least you have either thought you like your people them support you, you know. Because all this a big lie you tell, because what your boss would have search your video them for? Must see your conduct. Not to see the woman we call her when you claim to say call her. And why should I single-handedly buck up on that woman name we call her when she not look for name? Because must you conduct the woman a search your video for to see your behavior. Because probably the woman that hear about you. And if somebody really call your boss, probably are them things that the people them tell her, check her video them and see her behavior. Check her video them and hear the man in there ball for water. Check her video them and hear she tell the man she gonna lock off, she gonna lock off the TV and he gonna turn up the TV too loud. Check the video and see she take out the battery and flip around the battery them so the man can't turn on the TV because too when the man turn on the TV it obstruct she. And most of the people that tell you know, tell your boss, you know, and that your boss are going to look for, you know. So how your boss find the woman we call her name? You lie, you know?
And that's last year way down. You don't find somewhere to live yet with a question mark. So she is a bad mind person. She's working for Ashanti 360 and Erica the Landlord.
And
I mean, no, say she's a big Planka.
Planka,
so you know that she has been
you
interfering
careful
with
that
me.
get left out tight.
And she's a bad mind, dirty girl. Go and suck your mother, drunk or slut dog. Go and call my boss and tell me say my sister no. But tell him say me say you's a slut dog. And go and suck your mother.
Yeah, these are the video your boss a searcher.
Go
And
and
these are the
suck
video
your
your
mother,
boss
drunk
is
or
sick.
slut dog girl. And go look at work. You understand? Because when you look by your situation, a 7 time you move, your address, 7 different address you have. So you've been moving around like a Norrod. So you don't have no life, so you can't come chat me. Or ask where you live. How much time you move? Your address show that you have over 6 different addresses.
Right. But you got more than that.
In America.
You got more than that, man, sir. So you're not supposed to take that to nobody.
What you expect? So she never don't come back and tell me nothing.
You got more than that.
What you expect? Me see for myself. Me put in your phone number, me Google you and see. So when you ask me which part live, how you move so much time in America? Over 6 different times.
Marsha, you got more than that.
So much time.
So you question the woman and you got more
and you
than that.
call me homeless. Obviously, having problem with the landlord them. But you get your command and me pay
But
so
she not
long time you
homeless.
throw them.
She have problem with her landlord them. But she not
You're a
homeless.
dirty drunk,
She find places
you're
to
bad
live.
mind and grudgeful. Go and look a job. So when I don't come live in the daytime, you don't hear my client. What is it you're going to do now? What is it you're going to do? So even if you send me boss to come look through my tape and whatever, she's not going to see him. She will give me one strike and tell me, say, don't go live. You know, Marcy not supposed to go live. Fine. But you's a drunk, bro. You need prayer. Just as my boss said, me can't get some pastor come pray for you. Me tell him, say, you don't need no pastor come don't believe in a God. And since Corona, it look like we're getting mad. Me don't know who no think we're fighting. No fighting and losing battle. So, okay. All right, then. I will not come live until I'm on my shift. I am on my shift now. It's 12 o'clock at night. My boss, when I make the shift, you can do anything you want to do when the shift is over. It's 12 o'clock at night. Now go call her and tell her, say,
what time you come back?
Go call her.
When you come off now, what time you come back?
I'm in my bed. Yes, I'm in right there. I'm in my bed. See here? It's 12 o'clock at night.
What time
Right
you gonna
there.
come
I'm
back?
in my bed. My time now.
6:30
What are you
before
gonna
you
do
come back
about
and work.
it?
What time you get for rest? You don't
What
see
are
you
you gonna do it?
tormented.
What are you gonna do about it? Slut dog, you dirty girl. What are you gonna do about it? What are you? When last you got a doctor? Me not ready for y'all. Me not ready for it, you know. Latest, you know. Me I wait until me come off. And now come
Run,
pretend.
latest, run. Marcia says she a come. Run, latest, run. Marcia says she a come. Run, latest, run. Run, latest.
Me I wait until me I go home and go in my vehicle. And just remember say me I come for you. You can write up on your page and I this the program. I tell life about my pitney. And I talk about me. Just remember say me I come for you. Una don't work
So Marcia, 5 years, your son get to 2. Me don't know me
Una
a
don't
ask.
work it out here.
5
And
years?
una not paying my bills. And
But you say
not
I'm
me telling us
60
if you
days
never
or
look at work.
40 days him get.
It's not me. There's a whole heap of job about the place. My friend work at Florida and she told me that the hospital is empty, poking and troubling, interfering people with their job. And me tell herself you never look what kind of work you do up there? What you want? Eh? A long time, but alright. Since as me know who he is now. Alright, come back, come on social media, come type up nothing about me. If you think about it. Remember me salt you today now? Me salt you for your first, second and third generation. If you think you name by your name, come up here again. Come type up nothing about me. Like how me know which bar you're there. Come up here if you think you're bad, come type up something about me. Make a slap you with a court order.
Son of salt, you got that again.
Use a bully. And use a troll. Any one of you come up here and write. I'm writing in to Congress about you know, and say get some help. Uno is a bully. Go and take care of your health. Go and take care of your...
What kind of link Marcia have so? Marcia well been doing in America, man. Marcia, so I saw them a place you have time for careless people like you. What do you say you got FBI for me, you got CIA, you got YASA, you got every agency for me. No, you got Congress, this woman here. And what kind of law you want to pass? Eh? Is a new law you bring to Congress? Marcia says she writing into Congress to kakak. Hey! Marcia, you have strong ties. They not can go run for me a shit, man. Cause you have strong ties, you know. Go take part in the politics, man. Go run for me, man.
family and mind your business.
Marcia
You
says
don't have nobody in
right
Jamaica
to
who needs some
Congress.
help. You don't have no family members
You
in
can
Jamaica
write to
that need a pound of
the
rice for them
Department
right
of
now.
State of Connecticut
No
much to
phone, no come on
Congress.
social media
We
by
don't
the
know
people
how to adjust that
and
letter.
trolling people.
How to adjust it.
Families in Jamaica suffering. That's why some of them going back home right now and them don't have nowhere to go. Because them never sent
Yeah, the
back
kill is
nothing to
non-ambitious
Jamaica.
woman.
And
Every
nothing
day
to
she live
wherever
off of
island them
people
come
wealth.
from to
Listen
build up
her.
nothing out there.
She
Nothing at all. If I go to
where
Jamaica, me have
listen,
places to live.
people things.
Me not ask you.
Auntie, sister, nephew, niece.
And me have land
Where? Where?
to build pan.
Where? People things? I say you want to come
Wanna
live off of
have.
people things?
Wanna have? You tell me. Me can't homeless America and me can't...
If you have land, and the amount of land where you have, you don't start building not even 1 2-bedroom yet. And when you go to build that? When steel and cement so cheap, you never build that. 2 years ago when I do some construction work, I buy a ton of steel for like 110,000. And actually 2 times that for the ton of steel now. Within the 2 years. Man say you broke pauperizing. You coming like church house. You don't have nothing. So me want to know now. You feel like you can come down here with one $10,000 come talk about your bill house? Which part you get house to build for $10,000? Eh? Come on, man, say, talk to me, man. Which part you get house? Black and cement and steel done that. And remember, I don't know, 3 and 4 bedroom we are talking about. Probably just one good bedroom. Black steel and cement alone done that. And probably you want money to pay the chop man to deliver it. So when you ready to build like the house there, steel gone 400,000 a ton. If you couldn't afford it when it the 70 and 80 and 60,000. And as I said recent as 2 years ago, 110. And now you got to think for build house. You come out every day and boast pan people things. You have nothing here, man. You should have shame. You have nothing here in your name. As I said, nothing. Not even one little old car you don't have out here. Park up and rat down at least you can show the documents and say, see that in my name. Nothing. And you don't want nothing in your life. More than one come own and claims people things. And brag about people. Then suppose all of them somebody had the sack of your master. What kind of land you could have come and boast about now?
Mr. Jamaica. Yeah, my auntie I have a big 3-bedroom house in Jamaica country. Nice, sit down right up there.
What
Not
you
a
have?
soul in there.
What you have?
Not a soul in the house. You tell
You
me.
don't have nothing name shame.
So who not talking?
You don't want own because you're afraid of responsibility as well. Your friend
Alright,
Queen B said when we know that long
I
time
won't
it's a
come live in the
responsibility
daytime.
you're
I
afraid
wait
of.
until night and early morning. I
But you
wait
want
until
me
they
to
get
take
a
up
little break to go to
responsibility
the door.
for you come live off of.
And
Who
who's
you talk?
losing here? I have nothing to lose. I have nothing to lose, you know. I won't know I lose. Because no matter how you fight against me out here, you people need my content. You people
You
need
fight against yourself.
my voice. Drop some voice note, but guess what? I am not
Everything wrong with
benefiting
you
from
out
it.
here, you cause it by yourself.
It's the dirty boy and the dirty girl who benefit from it.
I know me.
That's why I'm gonna drop certain voicemail out here. Because I'm not benefiting on it.
So she come
I
drop
am
some
not going
before
to
the
drop
weekend
nothing
done.
until my page is fully
We are
fixed up.
liars, like. You don't have nothing to drop.
When them can't come from my page, no talk on do nothing. Until then, my evidence them. Wait until my page fix.
A months and
I
weeks we hear
drop
you
all
say
the
this.
voice note then with all the
All
message
years.
me tape off with
No, you can't drop nothing.
with
You don't have nothing, man.
the dirty boy. When him in a down at the woman yard.
You
and
never
and
scare
instead they
me.
send the 42
Never
voice mail, me have them in
scare
a WhatsApp.
me.
Anytime my page fix at that time I drop them. Last one.
That's the way you say you're Shanti. I'm gonna sit with everybody here already.
I have some things for you to say. Me I wait until me go home.
Just like when you come out and feel like you
Before
have
me
something
drop them.
fresh when you
I don't
come and
want
play
to
the
drop
man
them
ball
on
over
any
Janet.
premises, yeah.
I don't know,
No
say
one
that
drop
wash
them half
and
on
wash
the
a long
premises.
time gone a river and sea.
So me have something for you.
I feel like you did have something. I would have seen
Me
with
just want
everybody
to
here
make
a
sure
long
you don't
time.
block me feet. I have something for him. But I
Are
will
you
show
supposed to
them.
them always a clown
When we
you out
reach
and
home.
set you up, you know. I bet you any money say something with everybody
do the
here
live
already.
when we reach home. I want to
Nothing
be
new.
comfortable. I don't want to be talking low. Garden wall is very thin, so I don't want to be talking low.
Yeah, because you get
When I
strong
reach home, I
warning, you
will
know.
drop them. And when
You
I
get
reach
warning.
home, I will deal with latest too. Now when me want to tell her, I want to make sure so my voice is loud. When me fix her dirty ass clot.
You want to
I
kind of
want
sorry,
to be
man,
sure.
sir. Sorry, in what, February.
That is it. That's what. When me want something, nobody's giving it to me. I mean, now I go come out here, come beg, for sell 2 little $25 sheet.
I know you just have to take your work
I mean,
serious.
I make the
Listen,
profit off of it. And first of all, YouTube is not giving me the money or anything to pay my bills. What me getting from work. So guess what? When it comes to reality and factuality, I rather not to jeopardize my job, because if I sit out there,
man, sir, this is not by will. This way you say if you really are gonna do this and it's not just about content, this is not by will. We're not idiot. I years people have said this. Your friend them tell you this. Your enemies tell you this. Blaggers and saggers and flaggers and waggers tell you this. and you continue to do the same thing day upon top of day, week upon top of week. You expose yourself go, you expose yourself come. And all the people must say, see there you expose yourself. You live on life same way. Like it's the oxygen you breathe. It's a fresh air that you breathe. So all of a sudden now you're gonna change all of that. Bossy drape you up. Bossy drape you up. You're not do this off of your free will or by force this. Me not ask you. We don't idiot. If anything goes on in the content, or by force, this is not by will.
If I sit out there and I'm calling, he's gonna call me and ask me to get him some water. He's going to call me and after, so his voice is gonna catch into it. And me can't bother figure edit nothing or whatever and stuff. So I rather
can't
not
edit
do
nothing, that's why.
any video until my shift is over.
Not use the
And in
editing
early
yourself,
morning,
you don't know nothing
when
about
I
that.
wake up early morning, I will come on. In the meanwhile, whatever video I have up there, I will. Him not easy. You must say, my mama, my daddy did some. My father did in my 40s, or my 30s. My daddy did. And the boy over there makes some real story. Oh, me meet man on computer. I'm married to man. Meet what kind of harassment from computer. The man I'm supposed to marry to last man, the police from Jamaica. When come spend time with me, when me and my talk.
I want you to find internet husband and she always in the glasses and probably she sit down. The man don't see her full body. And when the man do really meet her, the man say, no marriage around here. Like one girl in the Waterhouse. Man see her on Facebook. Man never see down here so yet. Man always I see up here so, but up here so look alright and face look good. We're not discriminating now, we just have to talk what is to talk. And it's reality, it's no fiction. So the man buck, cause them time me a drive bus. You understand? And I me carry up the man pan the bus. Cause the man asked me which part to find that. And I say, yeah man, I don't have terminus that man. Really. Anyway, this girl in a wheelchair. Top part look good enough, face look good and thing. Nice little girl. But you know, whatever accident or whatever, if I saw she bad, me don't know. But the man see her on Facebook, but every time you see her up here so alone, you see, you can't see down here so. Anyway, she and the man get along. You know them little phone something there and social media and phone relationship. And time come now for man meet up. She say, yes man, you can come man. You can come and look for me. No problem. Anyway, a man come now and reach. So me say, yes, me boss, see terminus here. And she say, she the right eye corner, which by the big bakery, the bakery used to there. Not big bakery, but which by the bakery used to there. A right cross there so. Man come out a bus. So when she tell him man how she look and where she in her, she never say she in a wheelchair, but she say she in a this, like she say me in a one red blouse. Man start look all over now if you see if you see red blouse. Man see red blouse, but man no still nah know say how the person that. Because man nah look for red blouse in a wheelchair. Man nah look for one nice standing red blouse. Yes man. But the red blouse where you see, I know what him expect to see. So he might look. So when him look and can't see no other red blouse, man take up him phone. Man dial phone, bang, bang, bang. Yes man, me that terminus. But me not see you and the doctor and the driver show me which part you're supposed to do. But me, yes man, see me here. Me not hear that you know, but the reaction, tell me say that she has set on the other end of the phone. Yes man, so me see the man go sign it up. And when the man look, the man say, so are you that they right there so in the wheelchair? See when she say yes, and the same bus the man board. The man not take another look. The man hold back the bus just in time as me a drive off. The man say, doctor. Me was the driver do what him about. Doctor, hold on, wait for me there. The man never step across there, so I'm say I know. It come like that the man they see upon social media, but him never see a full. You understand? And then through you always a camouflage up here so. You always a camouflage your face, you know. You know, your goggles and all, your welding shield, you know, and the whole heap of coverage on your head and makeup coverage on face. So you camouflage yourself. So the man take on to where him see on social media. Yes, man. So when the man really finally meet up with Marcia, the man say, social media look and this a look at two different look. So the man took off. As I go Ashanti, me no know she say, you say so. Me no know, me just say, cause too, me know one incident like that happened already. Probably when the man go see and see your man say, oh, she really looking a person. The man mind change. Take a run for your money.
So how the man damn how me meet man on computer for a married man when the last wedding me supposed to have was a policeman from Jamaica.
They
He
don't
was a
talk about
police.
phone they meet him see me.
And go back to Jamaica.
Social media
I do
very
everything
different.
in
Where
my
you try to
great
justify?
So me I tell you how people can tell
So
somebody
policeman
a
at the pan
story
social
when
media.
I ask you.
Policeman at the pan phone.
Uno must
I
sit
wish you
down
try
over
and
there and
justify
listen to
yourself.
that devil boy. You hear me tell you now? Stay away from Ashanti 360. Ashanti 360 is evil. He's only over there hypnotizing you. He's gonna take you to the pit of hell. 360 number is an
If you don't
evil
take your
number.
people, them already.
That's why the boy has suffer. Him wicked. Him over there show a picture when CJ was 7-year-old and 8-year-old and 12-year-old and 9 and say look how CJ Marga and the pan drugs. I remember say when Pitney I grew up, Pitney get tall and Marga. Cause them a run up and down and have something. Then the time when
You
CJ
always
7, 8,
have
9
something to
CJ
justify what people say.
sit down and play Nintendo game now and do the
If it's
exercise.
another man pick me,
When
that's why
they
they must
get
suffer
big
for a
now,
man nutrition. But that
they
grow
run
your
up and
pick me
down and play
grow.
basketball and lose weight. And he must show a picture over there with my son. When my son is 7 years old and 12-year-old and them something they go to Jamaica
And
with
grow
me.
your pick me
And
grow.
him a
But
go
if
say
the
look
next
how him
man
did
pick me
fat
would have
and
suffer
look how
from
him maga
man
now.
nutrition.
When CJ was 13, 14 years old.
Yeah, sample master.
And the Pitney a grow. Everybody know when Pitney a grow. So me I show you say
How the year pick me
how
grow,
these
man. Every
people
other
come
pick
to
me.
break
How
you
the
down.
man nutrition.
Lucky thing, I have the Lord on my side. Me fix you good and proper in the courthouse. If you think you're bad, make me ever know where it is.
Every day you come
Me
with
a
that you
carry
live
got
in
sit
America.
for
You don't
court,
have
me a
money
carry
now.
got everything.
Pay your
Can you
investigator
see
for
tell
go
you
hunting
you're
pay your
very
man.
lucky I have Jesus in me.
You don't have your money now, man, and brag for your money. And you want him so much. You don't pay your
Yeah.
private investigator for go
Yeah.
hunt him.
Nobody can blackmail me. I'm in a day with careless man. Any man me there with them must
You're there with dirty man in there with
establish their
careless
own
man.
rights. The man can't blackmail me. Yeah. But then can't but in my workless man, you know nobody.
Then you are somebody, man.
Him look like a
You are
somebody too.
somebody.
You know see a waste man that. You know see a ugly ass ugly boy. Look
Did
at him.
I just hear
Him look like
that?
a undeveloped chicken.
Don't say that, Marcia.
Look up at him. Him look like a
You're
mongoose.
sailing in the same boat. You're
Yes,
sailing, Marcia, in the
so we
same
know what
boat.
you trouble me for. We know what you jealous and a bad man me for.
Now when you have man, you know,
Eh?
big deal
We
and
know what you
status
jealous
and
bad
you
man
have
for.
all the asset. I want
After
to
me
you.
no know no.
What you expect?
It's alright. Okay, so me go see when me don't come out in the daytime, me go see where we no call and me no call and say. I mean I come out in the daytime, me come
I
early
know say it
morning
not hurt nobody but you, Marcia.
and I will come and when
It
my
won't
shift
hurt
is
nobody
over.
but you.
Like now.
All
10:30
you are
something,
going like
yes.
say,
When he gonna bed, me
YouTube
put
money
let's
and
come.
all sitting where
I
you
see what
count
no
pan.
going to
You count pan
talk
that
about
before it
now.
even drop.
I want to get bumble
You see
glad
how you
video
don't
from.
talk about YouTube pay there.
You can see I want to get video from.
If a man
Because
forget
I'm
when
too happy
YouTube
for
are
no.
pay, all him have to do is
I do
listen
not
you.
mad because I
Come
don't
next
put
week,
up
you
a
just
big
listen and him
ticket for
ear.
buy for come on my
Cause
gala.
soon it get
The
to the
people
date,
them know when
she'll
my
start
gala keep and
announce
them
it.
know where to find me. Yes, them know where to find me. Yeah, Pata can't cause keko. Yeah, oh no,
And
so me
that
shape
if you
bad.
know what can cause keke,
Yeah,
and that you
when me
do.
try me green just the other day, my cat, look how she shape bad. Shape bad now gonna with me there. I shape, pretty shape me I talk about now going nowhere, honey. Me not ask no. A shape by the wear, a shape by the get all of the man them nowadays now. And the ugly girl them I get all of the man
Alright,
them
so
and I
you're
left for
ugly,
now.
Marcia. Now you say
You
you
know,
look
since I
good on
be a
your
big fat
cheek
woman,
and
I
all
get
these
man.
things.
And I go
So
out
oh,
with
you're
them.
ugly now.
You know, since I wanna good looking, I wanna flat
Oh, you're
belly, I
ugly now.
wanna surgery belly, I surgery body and breast. I wanna not get
And you're the
nah
best
man.
looking thing out here.
You know, since I can't see a girl and big belly and drop here, I get all
Wow,
the
you're
man them.
owning all those stuff now.
You know, you hear them a cuss me how much man me have. Is a damn shame. You know, cuss me say me have how much man. And me a sleep with married man a yard. And me a this and me that. And me I wanna have none.
Wow.
So unnecessary,
One and
unnecessary
a
way up
half
unnecessary me.
nine.
The shape bad
All
girl
of
I get
that.
all of the man and good man too. Hot man too.
Marcia, I chew all old pantina to Rasta ja. Marcia, so now do no breast, so now do no, no man. A Tina, you chew old pan the side, Marcia? Why you always throw shade at Tina? Cause Tina do body, Tina do, and she nah no man. So mushy a throw old pan. Speak my mind, people bless up on yourself, you know, and thanks for watching, you know. I don't see me there this every day, I'm tired, I want to sleep. Cause anytime I miss my morning sleep, as me tell you now, and I miss my morning sleep, them couple morning this week. They say tomorrow Sunday. If you not, I love make sure you get a video on a Sunday still, you know, but you say if you not see not even one video tomorrow, who know about that pressure me, trust me. Cause Sunday now the only day that now when me go get where I can lock off all my phone. I'm gonna do cook tomorrow morning and go buy something at the 4 or 5 o'clock to eat. And just sleep out the whole morning and evening. Cause them time nobody can call me. Business shut. If you see me, you see me. But no call me. Speak my mind. People bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. You don't know what to do. It is so easy. So easy to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. It now costs $1. And remember, please to watch the ads. You know, have to watch the whole of the long ads them. But no skip them. Watch 2 minutes out of it or 3. And the little 2 minute one them a quick. The argument to me and Lego nah go nowhere. I don't like it a run. The video a run while the ads are play, so you're gonna miss nothing. You nah miss nothing. Someone make it look like you know I miss something. No, once the ads come on, the video stop. And which part the video stop, I never did start back from. It go further up. It not go forward. It go backward. So you even hear back from which part you didn't hear already. So the video now gonna away, so I watch a look at 2 minutes ads and 3 minutes ads. Help the channel. That's how we gain a revenue. So me there talk every minute, me have to sleep one at a time, see that done, me have to drain. Yes man, little water, cause me no drink alcohol. So when you watch the ads, I saw the channel get a revenue. I may still use the revenue and take something from the little bit and give back to the needy and not the greedy. And that's why one of the ask the cash up and it did. Yes, $ charms and trends. Put an extra tin and mackerel, an extra sardine pan when me I go buy. So the bag can look more. You understand? Serve a little longer. Instead of me can find 2 days dinner give them, I want to make it up to make them have 4 hours a week. Because we not nothing to give them for an everyday basic, you know. Because we not have it like that. And we have our own responsibility. And when me talk now, me talk in general for Uno too. You understand? And we not really have broke nobody bad because we not really have it. We just try to stop a gap. So if we can come on board and stop a 1 week, a 1 day, or a 2 day when this person don't sure of having a meal, yes, God will bless you same way. We don't have it like that in abundance to give it away. Because you can't give away your and do it through your ribs. So when you give me that me do. And remember, check out the website charmsandtrend.shop for my merge. That's another way by supporting me so I can. So, me tell you, know, actually on a day-to-day basis, me give away, you know. But me give to needy. Not greedy boy can't see me and get my things. Because me not have it. What I tell your people them say me mean. You understand? No boy are about no hand miggling. Want no cigarette. No weed. To support your dirty habit. Now look for me do that. Because me not do it myself. So why me come buy your weed and cigarette and smoke it and drink it and me not do it. And I my money. But me make you enjoy my money for me? No. Even up to today, the woman, remember the soup woman when I did interview and get the grocery and something. But she said she end up going to England and fly back down quick, her daughter have a ship cause like she'd have a brain tumor, me to know say she pass. And me did have her upon the list in December, me never give her, me never get to see her because at the time, me never ready yet. And then one man, me wake up and somebody tell me say she pass. I was so shocked. I seen sweet. Me say me I give her son I think and me notice no him alone no and him, you know I'm a fear us him look way out. But me never ready for him and him a pressure me and me tell him alright, circle me man one of them day man. And him circle me must say day before yesterday. And me say, you know, say me have a bigger thing for you. But he say, I call you rush me so much and me go so. Me never take out camera and video. Me never need to do that. When a content time, But when somebody just asks me something and you give them something, you don't even take out camera if you give show everything what you give it. But there is certain things you want for records. And at the same time, you're creating content so you can always get something from the content when you create so you can always give back something to somebody else. And this is what most of you understand. Enough time people are give away and then take out them camera. But when we are create content, that is it. Because we are create content in giving away this. So we can gain back something if we give away again. Alright? So just support the merge. That's a way to help me also. Check out the website charmsandtrend.shop. The Instagram page is also there. Charm_and_trends. I think if you go on the Instagram page, you see a lot of stuff. You know, where you can request what you want. Probably things that is not presently on the website. But if you see it on the Instagram page, all you got to do is take a screenshot at it and send it right in the DM. Tell them say you want something like this. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Peace out. And remember, the Speak My Mind merch, you can also get it in tumblers, water bottles, wine cups, your phone case, your accessories. You can get it. Just run in at the DM to customize. And that's the thing with Charms and Trends. You can get something to your request. Customize. Peace out.